Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'll show you how to make your OPPO Pad 5 charge faster. First, check your device's charging port and make sure it's not clogged. If it has dust or debris, grab a soft brush and clean it gently. Don't use metallic tools. I also recommend turning off your device before doing that. After cleaning, try charging again using the original cable from the box, and ideally the original adapter too. With the 3030U SuperWork adapter that sometimes comes with the tablet, charging from 0 to 100% can take around 3 to 4 hours. To reduce that time, get a 67W adapter. It's sold separately and costs about 10 or even less on AliExpress. To check your adapter's wattage, look at its output data. For example, 15W isn't enough for this tablet. So get a better adapter and use the original cable to charge faster. Also, check that no app is draining battery in the background. Go to battery settings and see which apps use the most power. If an app uses too much, restrict its background activity by going to Apps, App Management, select the app battery usage, and turn on Restrict Background Activity. That's it. Thanks for watching. If this helped, consider subscribing to the channel, leave a like and comment, and I'll see you in the next one.